The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at what to do if your Google account has been hacked and your YouTube channel has been hijacked. Now, one of the first symptoms that you might as a YouTuber see is that somebody's uploaded a video and it wasn't you that uploaded it. So what do? You do a browser search and you put in something like YouTube channel was hacked. And the very first link that comes up is the official answer. Note the URL, it's support.google.com, and this is the preferred one to go to, simply because at the end of the day, the official word is better than anything else. There are obviously other options to look at, but I would always recommend if there's an official answer, go for the official one. You might also start at YouTube and click on something like help at the left-hand side and then type in something like YouTube channel was hacked, do a search, and the very first option that comes up is that same link. So let's actually go to that. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and open this in a new window. And on this, the renamed Recover a Hacked YouTube channel page, you can see that the first thing it does, it actually tells you about the types of things that you might expect to see if your YouTube channel has been hijacked. Changes that you didn't make, your profile picture, description, etc. might have been changed. You might see videos uploaded that you didn't upload. And of course, the worst one yet is your YouTube channel is terminated for actions that you definitely did not take yourself. So looking through this, you will see that there are 3 distinct steps to take. And the first one is to recover the Google account. Because a YouTube channel is owned with a Google account, it follows that if the YouTube channel is hijacked, the Google account which owns it is hacked, compromised in some way. Then the next thing that you would do once you've dealt with that is to revert any changes to the YouTube channel that were made by the hijacker, particularly to avoid policy repercussions like copyright strikes and community guideline strikes. The problem, of course, is it might be a little bit too late and your YouTube channel might already be terminated for this. But deal with the hijacking first before you deal with the appeals. And then finally, you're supposed to secure your Google account so that it doesn't happen again. And then it takes you through the various steps, and then you'll see that it actually breaks down the recovery of your Google account into 2 different parts. The first one being if you can actually still sign into your Google account, then it's fairly simple. You deal with the security of your Google account first, and then deal with your YouTube channel. But the more common scenario is the one where you can't actually sign into your Google account because the hacker has well and truly taken control. In which case, have a look at this particular article. And then it takes you through the various remaining steps to take. Now, it also answers frequently asked questions and it offers you additional help. And then it also gives you the option to post in the help community and to contact YouTube directly. Now, not everybody has the option to contact YouTube directly. You have to actually be a partner, a YouTube partner. But you can still post in the help community if you should need any questions answered. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but at the top of my particular page, and you might not see this, you have the option to chat with our hacked channel assistant. And what that is, it is basically a hand holding through these processes. These processes are all entirely DIY. You must do them yourself, but the guide will help you deal with them correctly in the right order. So I have mentioned that the channel has suspicious activity. Let's say somebody's uploaded a video on my YouTube channel, and then the help guide is asking me to give the primary email address with which I own the YouTube channel, and that would be the Google account's email address. And then I can continue along the way. Also have a look at the suggested articles on the side here. And then let's look at the process for the Google account, the hacked Google account. And that is a process that's covered by this particular article. Again, you have a help guide here, a digital assistant, which will help you go through these particular steps in order to try and recover your hacked Google account. And then there is what I call the hijacking form for YouTube. And this is the form that you would fill in if you have access to it. If you do not have access to it, you can request a 48-hour whitelisting for that form. And that is something that you would have to do with Team YouTube over on Twitter, now called X, and ask them to give you access to the hijacking form because your YouTube channel has been hijacked. Should you own an AdSense account with your YouTube channel's Google account, you have yet another option, and that is this form here. And I'll give you the links for all of these articles and forms down in the video description below, and suggest that if you have any further questions, please come to the user community and let's see whether we can't get you back into your YouTube channel. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.